All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, where today we're going to talk about how I work a full-time job and produce 5 YouTube videos a week. Pretty obvious, producing 5 videos a week can be a little hard. Not gonna lie, it kind of sucks sometimes. My main channel, I produce 3 videos, and on this channel, I produce 2 videos. Total of 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I've got a video premiering all weekday long. How do I do it? Well, batching. Batching is key if you want to put out a lot of content. There's no other way to do it. Every Thursday night, and that's the important thing, you need to schedule it. You need to figure out a time that you can sit down and actually produce content. Because if you don't do that, you won't. Every week on Thursday, after the shop is closed, after the sun has gone down, it's a long day. I start work at 7 a.m. I get done at 5:30. I normally don't start filming till 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. Makes for a very long day. But it's the only way I can film those videos in the shop because, well, lighting is an issue and so is noise. If I film earlier than that, depending on the time of year, I've got horrid light coming in that, well, you can't see me very well no matter how good the camera is. So I'm kind of stuck with that. So I have to film late at night, and we're in front of a busy road that, well, during rush hour is unusable because of honking fire trucks, etc., etc. So I have to film 3 videos back to back to back. To stay at the shop that late and not film multiple videos would be a complete waste of time. So I sit down and plan my videos for Thursday so I know the subject, what I'm gonna say. Everything for those 3 videos is prepped well in advance of making those videos. So I know exactly what I'm gonna talk about and any B-roll I need to shoot, all that kind of stuff, ready to go. And then I set up the camera, set up my lights, and then boom, boom, boom. Any B-roll is normally shot before the main shoot. Why? So I can get it out of the way. I shoot those 3 videos and then I'm done. I tear down. Setting up for a shoot at a location where you can't leave everything up, well, kind of sucks, but it's the way of life of a YouTuber. I tear down, I have my memory card, I come home. Now on this channel, it's Sunday. I film 2 videos on Sunday. Back to back, I've already had it planned out, just like the other channel, ready to go. But I film those videos back to back. Same setup. I set up my gear to film, I put everything up, I start filming, and I film those videos back to back. The other side of it, editing. Editing is also done in batches. Saturday is editing day for the main channel. I spend a chunk of my Saturday sitting at this desk editing videos. Uploading, edit, thumbnail, repeat for those 3 videos. After I'm done, well, then it's onto this channel. Depending on how fast I get done with those edits, I might film Creator Hardware on the same day. Generally, it goes to Sunday. I film these videos and then I edit those either today or Monday and then upload for Tuesday and Thursday. Everything is uploaded prior to the day of launch because, well, I have to. When you're producing this much content, you have to continue to upload at that schedule. Your viewers are used to your schedule, so you want to make sure you maintain it. Now, obviously, this is for talking head style content. Obviously, if you're doing tutorials or something that takes longer to do or film, this may not work for you, but it could. It's just whether or not you can block out enough time to do multiple tutorials at once. It will still work. It's just, well, longer film time. So I hope this video was helpful. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.